Hello friends, in exercise question with solution, as we have started halogen derivatives, in that we have completed 2.1. Today we will discuss 2.2, means from that second question, second sub question. So that question is write the structure and IUPAC name of the major product in each of the following reaction. Means in this question 5 reactions are given and we have to write the correct major product as well as its IUPAC name also. So in that first reaction is, this is the reactant, it is treated with the sodium iodide in presence of the acetone. Hope so everyone remember that this is the Finkelstein reaction. It is the Finkelstein reaction. What is that Finkelstein reaction? When alkyl chloride or bromide is treated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, it gives alkyl iodide. That is the Finkelstein reaction. So in that also same reaction. So simply chloride is there, means here alkyl chloride is given which is treated with sodium iodide. So in this way instead of chlorine I will become is iodine. So what will be the product now? See here CH3 CH3, after that CH2 and iodine is attached here. So this is the correct answer, correct product. But what is the IUPAC name? See, for the IUPAC name, first rule is that select the longest chain, start the numbering. When we are numbering at that time, iodine attached carbon should come at the lowest position. So 1, 2, 3. At second position, one methyl group is there. So its IUPAC name will be 1 iodo, 2 methyl, number of carbon is 3, so it is propane. So this is the correct IUPAC name and correct answer of this first question. Now we are going to start with the second question. Second question is that CH3CH2Br means ethyl bromide or bromoethane is given which is treated with SbF3. Means here if we consider this reaction, again this is the named reaction and name of this reaction is Schwarz reaction. Name of reaction is Schwarz reaction. What is that Schwarz reaction? When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is heated with metallic fluoride, at that time it gives fluoroalkane, or we can say that alkyl fluoride. That is the Schwarz reaction. So in that also instead of bromine means bromide, F will come, means we are getting that CH3CH2F. What is the IUPAC name of this one? Common name is ethyl fluoride and IUPAC name is fluoroethane. This is the correct IUPAC name. So here we have completed 2 reactions. Now we'll discuss the third reaction. What is that third reaction? Now see here. In that alkene is given, to that alkene there is an addition of a HBr in presence of a peroxide. So simply concept is, here I will write that concept. That concept is related to the Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov rule. So what is that Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov rule? That we will discuss now. See, in that Markovnikov there is a addition of a reagent. From that one, this is the unsymmetrical alkene. So whenever there is an addition of a reagent, at that time negative part of the reagent, we are discussing about the Markovnikov rule, negative part of the reagent get attached to that carbon which having the less number of hydrogen. If we observe this alkene, in that the carbon-carbon double bond is there in between these two carbon. Now we have to observe which carbon contains less number of hydrogen. So simply if there is an addition of a HBr and there is a no peroxide, then here we have to follow the Markovnikov rule, and that Markovnikov rule is that negative part of the reagent get attached to that carbon which having the less number of hydrogen. So we will get the product like that. This is the product when we are following the Markovnikov rule. That Markovnikov rule is in absence of the peroxide. That Markovnikov rule is applicable for the HCl, HBr as well as HI. But if we consider here, there is a peroxide is given. So this is the anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule is also called as a Mayer-Kharesh rule, as well as it is called as a peroxide effect also. What is that anti-Markovnikov rule? It is totally opposite to this one. What is that? See, negative part of the reagent get attached to that carbon which having the more number of hydrogen in presence of peroxide. This is the one condition. Second condition is that peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov rule is applicable only for the addition of HBr, and that's why here we are getting the product, that is the CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Hope so everyone understood that what is the Markovnikov, what is the anti-Markovnikov rule. So here they have not asked this question, but for the information purpose I have given this also. So we have to write this is the correct product. What is the IUPAC name? Again our rule is there. What is that? Select the longest chain. So we are selecting here straight chain. We can select that downside also, because anyhow 4 number of carbons are coming. Second step is that numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way 1 bromo, 3 methyl, 1 bromo, 3 methyl butane. This is the correct IUPAC name of this reaction. So here we have completed 3 reactions with another example, as well as here we have covered 2 marks name reaction also. Here also 2 mark name reaction, because most of the time write a note on Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction question will be there. So third 3 completed. Now we'll discuss remaining 2 reactions also. Now see, these are the 2 remaining remaining reactions. First one, whatever is the fourth one. See, here they have given cyclohexanol. Previously we have discussed when any ring is there without alternate double bond, 6-member ring without alternate bond means it is the cyclohexane. To that OH is attached means it is the cyclohexanol. This is the structure of the cyclohexanol. There is an addition of a thionyl chloride. If we consider the name of this reaction, that is the Darson reaction, or we can call it as a Darson's process also. So in that we have to follow this reaction in presence of pyridine, and at that time this is the reaction, or at that time we can say that we are getting the cyclohexane to that Cl is attached, or here I will draw like that also. So if we consider this is the reaction, or this is the product, what is the name? Name of this one is 1-chloro-cyclohexane. This is the correct IUPAC name of this reaction. What is the name of this product? That is the 1-chlorocyclohexane. Now see here, for the preparation of alkyl halide, this is the best method. Why? Because when we are using that thionyl chloride as a reagent, then we are getting the side product, that is the sulfur dioxide as well as HCl. These two byproducts are in the gaseous state, and that's why there is no need to take extra efforts for their removal purpose, and that's why this is the best method for the preparation of a alkyl chloride. So here we have completed 4th one. Now 5th one reaction. Here they have given what is the name of this compound. If we consider IUPAC name, it is the methyl benzene. Common name, it is the toluene. So now see here, when that methyl benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of dark and iron as a catalyst, at that time what will be the product? Here we are getting the product, that is the ortho position 1 chlorine, or means ortho meta product we are getting here. This is the name. Generally, if we consider para product is the major one. So if we consider this one, now we are going to discuss about the chlorination or Cl2 addition. This reaction we can apply for the Br2 purpose also, but we cannot apply for the F2 because this addition or this reaction which containing fluorine, that is the explosive one, and if we are treating with the iodine, then when we are using that iodine here, at that time At the end means in the product also we are getting that I2 as it is. That's why this reaction is not applicable for the I2 as well as F2. It is applicable only for the Cl2 and Br2. Now what is the name of this product? They asked to us about this reaction and they asked about the IUPAC name also. Now see here, if we consider numbering, we have to give number first to that benzene, chlorine, this one bond. Second one will be here. So what will be the name? Name will be or we can say that 2-methyl chlorobenzene. 2-methyl chlorobenzene. This is the IUPAC name of this structure. What about this one? Here that will be 4-methyl chlorobenzene. This is the correct name of this product. Now which one will be the major? As I told you, always para product is the major one. So here we have completed our question, which is from the question 2, sub question is 2. So in this way we will complete that total exercise every time I am telling you. So to get the notification you have to press the bell icon also. And if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and to get your answer. Thank you all of you.